Hey guys, this is Dom from West Island Guitars and welcome back to the channel. We've got our In the Shop series today, and on the bench we have a Stingray Sterling. It's a sub-series, so it's kind of an entry-level Stingray. But it's really nice and it's got a nice matte finish on it, and it's actually brand new. So the customer picked this up at the local music shop here, and it's a little buzzy and the action's a little bit wonky, so he asked me to have a look and get it tuned up so he can start playing. All right, let's get to it.
West Island Guitars.
All right, so first thing we'll do, let's just plug her in here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Now, it is a lefty, so, and I'm definitely not a lefty, but I can tell you the action is very high. Yeah, definitely the action is very high. Okay, so I've got basically a straight edge 24-inch ruler. Okay, I can see here, okay, that there is a lot of space right here from probably the 7th to the 14th fret. That you've got the neck is kind of this way like that. So we're going to fix that. Okay, so I've got a little tool here. So the truss rod adjustment is actually right here, and typically it's up on the, you know, where the nut is, but in this case it's here. So in order to turn it, you've got to have this little kind of tool that goes in here. So we want to turn this now clockwise, okay, to get the neck back, to get less relief into it. Oh, it's very loose, very loose. So we're going to try that. Let's go a couple of turns and see what that gives. Yeah, that's already much better. So we're going to keep going there. I guess another half turn. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly where I want it. It's very tight. Okay. That's already much better. Okay, so we're going to measure where we're at. On the G, we're at 2.75 on the G. So that's still very high. And we are, I would say, 3 on the low E. So that's definitely on the high side. So now that we've got our neck kind of neutral, all right, we're going to adjust these guys. So we're going to try with a half turn each. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe more than a half turn. But all right, let's measure that. So now we're at 2.25 on the G. Now we're really getting dialed in here. So, and we are 2.5 at the 12th fret on the low E. So that's kind of where we want. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to play right, so we got no buzz. No buzz here either. And no buzz here either. So we could probably go just a hair lower. Let's get her tuned up a little bit. Okay, so let's try that. Yeah, so that low E is a little bit too low. So just for sake of measuring, we're going to measure where this guy's at. So it is, yeah, at 2.25, which that's fairly low. So we're going to bring it back up to 2.5. Yeah, that's already much better. Okay, so let's just even it out here a little bit. Okay, let's try it out again. That sounds pretty good. Let's plug her in. That's not bad. Not bad. Feels good. So we're gonna do some intonation now. Got our G. So it's a little flat. So we're gonna go here. Is this a star? Oh, that's fine. Well, that's pretty spot on. That's pretty good also. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, guys, let's give her a try. So one last thing we're going to do. This is a brand new bass, but it's important that we take all the plastic off. So if this plastic stays there, it's meant to protect this. But if it does stay over time, it gets yellowed out and it sticks and it just peels off and it looks like shit. So it's got to be taken off now. So we've got plastic here, plastic all around. So we'll take it all off. Oh, they cut some little slots in there. How about that? Okay, that's good. Just get it cleaned up a little bit here. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. And I just want to say thanks for watching. And if you really like this video, just click the subscribe button and click the little bell and you get notified for new videos coming out. And we've got plenty of other videos coming out. We've got our In the Shop series, we've got our In the Studio series, and we've got our How-To series. It's gonna have lots to talk about beginner guitars, entry-level guitars, and you name it. So stay tuned for that. Again, this is Dom from West Island Guitars. Keep on rocking. Peace out, guys. I am certainly not a lefty, that's for sure.